To customize a lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to click on wallpaper and style, and then we can select our lock screen, the one with the clock. If you enter it, first let's customize it from the top. You can click on this icon right here to change the style for the icon. You can then click on the clock, that way change to different clock watch, so just pick different font. You can also change the different styles if you like, and you can also change a color for it. Then we have add widgets right here, which allows you to add different widgets to your lock screen, and then you can click on the left and right shortcut right here and apply or remove those shortcuts. On the bottom, you'll be able to get suggest, which will suggest you the best, let's say the best for, as the phone thinks, wallpaper. It adds the frames and changes colors for that wallpaper. You can use it if you like. You can add the frame right here and change the color for it as well. Then there's option for effects. You can apply different effects to your wallpaper. Then there's the weather, which applies the weather effect to wallpaper depending on what weather is outside. And finally, if you're ready, click on done, and that way your wallpaper will be, lock screen will be customized. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.